Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 3 AG020F, and in this video I am going to show you how to create multiple users on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, and then right here we have to scroll down to the system option. Here we have to also scroll down and find multiple users option. Here we have to click on this button to use multiple users, and now as you can see we can add a guest and add a user, and we are going to add a new user. So here we can set a nickname of our new user, so I am going to name my new user Brian, and here also we can set profile picture, and we can take a photo with our camera or just choose image. So I am going to choose this one. And as you can see, that's our new user. That's how we create multiple users. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!